Possibly one of the biggest benefits to using Class Notebook in Microsoft Teams is your students have full access to assistive technology tools such as Microsoft's Immersive Reader. To access Immersive Reader, first we must make sure we're inside our Class Notebook. Next, we will go ahead and click on a section and click on a page where we have text. And I'm just going to expand this view. And we are going to next click on View in the OneNote toolbar and click on Immersive Reader. Notice that this transforms your screen to focus students' view on just the text. Immersive Reader provides you with a variety of options for viewing text and having text read out loud to students. Let's take a closer look at some of the features. Without making any adjustments, I can have this text read out loud to me by simply clicking the play button down here at the bottom of the screen.
Nightlife. At age 7, a nobleman's son began training for knighthood.
I can go ahead and adjust settings by clicking on the text preferences, these two capital A's. Notice that I can adjust the size of the text, making it larger or smaller. I can have increased spacing on or turn it off. I can change the font style from Calibri to Sitka. And I can change the theme of the overall page. It might be easier for some students to read a black background with white type. Notice in Immersive Reader, I can also adjust grammar options. So I can turn syllables on, which will break each of the individual words up into their syllables. Let's turn that off for a moment. I can also turn on to identify different parts of speech, such as nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Students can also set reading preferences within Immersive Reader. Let's click on this little book icon for reading preferences, and we can turn on line focus. I can have it set to just individual lines being highlighted as we read, or a small set of lines being highlighted, or I can turn line focus off. I can also turn on the newest feature, which is the picture dictionary. When I have the picture dictionary turned on, if I click on a common term, such as the word age, not only do I get the word with the speaker,
Age.
so it actually says the word out loud to me, but I see an image representing that word. And finally, I can also adjust voice settings. Down here at the bottom next to the play icon, I can click on the speaker icon and I can change the speed of the voice to speed it up.
Speak. Squire, at age 15, a page could be
Or to slow it right down.
become a squire. Each squire was assigned to a knight.
I can also change the voice from female to male.
A knight. A knight could have several squires. The squire assisted the knight to whom he was assigned.
Keep in mind that any changes or adjustments students make to the settings of Immersive Reader in Class Notebook will be carried over in their Microsoft Office 365 profile. So if they were to use another app such as Microsoft Word and use the Immersive Reader inside Word, they would have all the same settings.